Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Now, welcome to part 5, and we start the journey now. Okay, guys. So basically, this is the layout of the entire. So this is where the beginning, guys. So let me show you 360 right now before we go. I want to show you the entire complex from here. This probably be one take, guys, because I was thinking of starting from here, from this point, and then going all the way back there, and then coming from here, from this on the other side. But I'm just gonna go from here, and we begin the journey now. Actually, you know what? Again, you guys know how I do everything detailed. So we go through here. We're gonna have to come back through here, guys, and then again we go through here. I'm gonna show you the whole layout. And this is as far as it goes. This is the entire layout for now. Okay, now we head back. I'll go through the main path right now. There's another path down there, but I don't know where that leads to. I have to I gotta check the map. I have to check the map again. Ooh, guys, check it out. Rampage. Let's see what else we got here. This is the path coming to the metal church. Let me show it to you right now. This is the metal church. Check out those skies, guys. Check out those skies, guys. And now we keep going forward. And this is another path to the office. And here we go around this little circular path. Again, another entrance, another exit, and we have the man himself right here, the Lord and Savior of the universe. Him, right there, him. Now, we keep going, guys. As you can see in the sign here, and here is just a space. Oh, okay, they got a door here. Okay, cool. As you can see here, you got a gift shop, or says Tienda. Check it out, guys. Another rock and roll, man. But there's no heavy metal. And there says enter in the gift shop. Now, we go around here again. And guess who's here, guys? Guest of honor. The mother of Jesus Christ. There she is, man. There she is. And on top of above her is the gift shop. Now, we'll keep going here, guys. See another door. Yep, another door. And now we go here, guys, and we find something in here hidden. See, I didn't see this. It was hidden. It is hidden. Check it out. I'm assuming that's Joseph and Mary and Jesus. And you know why it is hidden, guys? See? Because that's a tree up there. So you cannot see it from here. You gotta come down here, literally, to see it. And then we go here. And they're selling an outdoor gift shop right now. And then we come here, and we're gonna go straight to the shrine here, or as they call it in my country, Capilla. Not sure what this is. I think it's el Cisne. That's what they call it, el Cisne. I gotta find out who she is. What country she's from. Oh, Ecuador. Thank you. So now they tell me, yeah, she's from Ecuador. Okay, cool. And the Cisne, that means swan in English. So she signifies something with a swan. What? I don't know. But yeah, there she is. That is cool stuff, man. Now we're gonna go to the metal church that just finished. We're gonna go again through here, through the rock path. We're gonna go through the rock path and heading towards the metal church. We're gonna go through the metal church in a few minutes, guys. Now, we came through this path before, but now we're gonna go see the lady in the rock. Ahorita voy, mamá. We're gonna go visit her right now. She was standing on the big rock, guys. So she also was part of the rock.
And then 20 minutes.
And we got more people incoming. Yeah, it was quite a couple of people up there. You see, guys, that's why I like to do things early, so you can see everything. Again, I don't mind the people, but most of the time we have people like this, they block the view, and that's what I try to avoid. That's what I try to avoid. That's why I did it early today. As you can see right now.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right now we're gonna head towards the metal church right there, to the left. And she's in a big boulder, man. That's a big rock. Let's check it out from the front. Let's check out the metal church. Okay, so check it out. See this boulder and the land on which it rests was donated on March 30, 1957 to the Shrine of Our Lady of the Island by Francis and John Harrison of East Mauritius, New York, to whom we are ever grateful. Now, let me show you the benches for this metal church. Well, metal church from the outside anyway. So this is what we got here. We got all the benches and some people still here, so. See? That's a big statue, man. That is a big statue in that boulder. Man, that's a gigantic statue, man. That is huge. Wow, that is a huge statue, brother. I gotta come all the way here just so I can see the full length of it. And the boulder too. There she is. Check her out, guys. She must be about 22 feet tall, man. That's a big statue, brother. Now, before we go, guys, let me give you a 360 right now. Let me give you a 360 of this place. I'm gonna go slow, guys, just so you can see it. It's really cool. I like the way they did this in the back, man, right here. And in here, we got some plaques. I guess people who have passed away, I guess, or donors, whatever. See all those brown plaques up there? This is really cool, man. But I wouldn't want to be here in winter, guys. Nope, no thank you. No thank you. Spring, summer, and fall are good enough for me. And guys, now that you've seen it, now we leave. Now we can go. There she is. She's also part of the rock and metal.
Hold on 1 second.
And now, this is... Let's see. Now we leave. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish the video up where the Cisne was, the shrine, the Capilla. We're gonna finish right there. I don't want to be too repetitive, so we're gonna go finish right there right now. And then my phone's taking a rest, and so am I, and something to eat. See, when there's people like this, it's cool, you know. But when it's a lot of people, guys, you know, then they block the view. You see that? See, that's where, you know, that's why I like to do things early. And again, nothing against people. It's just that that's the reason why I do videos, so people can see the full view of nature and stuff like that. So you'll see this video in part, I think it was part 3. I think yeah, it was part 3, guys. So you can see this whole thing in part 3. It was only minimum people. Maybe I think it was only 1 or 2. And this path, the rock path.
No. La Elvita lo que contó es que ella sí vino acá. O sea, venimos, ¿sabes con quién? Con el chico.
Hi, Father.
How are you?
I'm good. Have a good one. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.